Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Junction 17. As you can see right behind me, this is the car we're going to review. Let's go check it out. So guys, we got this RS3 from Audi. What do you guys think to this? Absolutely stunning looking car. This is an A3 RS3 Quattro automatic. It has 5 seats, 5 doors, and as you can see, it's a beautiful color. See on the front here we got nice red accents there on the front splitter, and if we come to the rear of the car, you can see that it has the same red on the rear diffuser. Very nice indeed. It's got all these nice little black Audi badges. Nice black tinted windows for some privacy at the back seats. All blacked out front grille. If you guys want to come and test drive this car, it's just come into Junction 17. All their links and descriptions for this car will be left at the bottom. So if you guys want to check it out, click on the link below. It's got these beautiful RS3 alloy wheels, 19-inch. Got Michelin Pilot tires on it. Gives you good grip. Definitely for the amount of horsepower that's in this car. Definitely going to need it. It's got these huge calipers brakes on the front. Definitely needs stopping for this car. It's in immaculate condition. It says it should be a grey color, but I'm not 100% sure. It looks more like an Arctic white. But what I'm looking at, leave your comments below guys, what color you think this is. It is a mixture between a white and a grey. I'm not 100% sure if the camera will catch this, but it is a beautiful car. So guys, as you can see, I'm back inside the car now. Got this beautiful center console. This has got the Audi Navigation Plus system. It's very nice. I would like to turn the car on, but as you know, copywriting with music, we cannot put that on right now for YouTube. But this does have the RS badge right over there. You do have the 7-speed automatic gearbox, and on the steering wheel, I must say, I do love the lower bar. It's very straight instead of having the loop, which you would normally have. For me, being 6'2", very tall, it makes it a lot easier and a bit more space to get my legs in and out. But as you can see, we got the RS badges over there. This speedo looks absolutely amazing. So if we come across here, we can see we got the RS3 badge in headrests with these absolutely gorgeous bucket seats. I must say, I'm sitting here now in the driver's seat. and it's very, very comfortable. Even though I'm very tall, I've got more than enough head space. My head's not touching the ceiling. This car also comes with the Bose sound system. It's got all the tweeters, all the speakers you would want for great sound. It's got automatic windows, automatic side mirrors. And if we spin around, take a look at the back seat. You've got 3 seats there, more than enough space for any guests that you want to take along in the car drive. If we spin around, as you can see, this car is absolutely immaculate. If you guys want more information on this car, check out Junction 17. All their descriptions will be at the bottom, so just click on their links and you can have a look at all the full specs of this car in full detail. As I said before, this car has just come in. I was lucky enough to get down here, review this car before they put it up on their website. So if you are a fan of the RS3, come down to Junction 17, come and have a look. This car is amazing. It's very fast. It's got everything you would ever want in a hatchback. Come down and check it out.